What's up, gentlemen and ladies? Welcome to another episode of Project Gentlemen. We are here. We love to talk about the things that help us win in life. And today, we're here at Nissan Cebu South to talk about one of your requests. One of our very solid viewers, sabi niya, this is gonna be one of his goal pickup truck or dream pickup truck. So, yan. Dahil makakas kayo sa akin, guys, we are here today. I can't wait to talk about this. So, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Nissan Navara Pro 4X. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go! Alright, so welcome to the interior of your Nissan Navara Pro 4X. So what do you think of your dashboard, guys? Let me know in the comment section. So far, I love the feeling here. Feels very premium, alright? And then for the dashboard, okay, high quality plastic, I can say. And then let's start above here. You have your, of course, dark gray headliner. I don't think it's like completely black, like the sporty looking black, but I like that it's dark. So that's it. And then for your sun visor here, for your passenger side, good news, you have light and vanity mirror, right? And then here at the middle, guys, you have your lights. Okay, all right, it's really good. Okay, so you can set it to automatic. And then you have your eyewear holder or compartment right here. Very good. And then you have your auto dimming mirrors. Okay, rear view mirrors that auto dims, especially when it's being hit by light. Very good. And then here for your driver side, guys, you have, okay, good news as well. You have vanity mirror and lights. Very good. So you have right here your infotainment display, guys. Very nice looking. I think it's large enough to satisfy your needs. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Then you have this piano black accents. Very well integrated with the leather, okay, materials used over here for your dashboard with the red stitching. Very sporty look. And then you have this accent right here. Okay. And then for your glove compartment, wow, it's really very slowly opening up. Hydraulic glove compartment, very good. Then going back here at the center, guys, you have your controls for your air conditioning. Okay, I believe dual zone. And then you have your blower speed right here, circulation. And then here below, guys, you have your sockets, USB-C and USB-A. Then here you have your space as well where you could put your phones. Now here you have your gear selector, guys. You have the silver accent right here. All right. And then, of course, your gated type gear selector with a piano black accent finish right here. Of course, with a manual mode if you want to feel the sportiness of your truck. Then moving on over here at this part right here, you have available slots for your accessories in case you wanted to install some. And then of course your traditional handbrake, I love it. And then 2 cup holders. And then for your center armrest, very nice feeling leather, very wide as well with the red stitchings. And when you open her up, you'll find another socket right there for your power, your charging, everything that you need. And then it's I guess it's going to be deep enough for most of the things that you're gonna be putting here. So again, very nice looking seats, guys. Okay, zero gravity seats, Nissan signature. I believe this will gonna be a very comfortable when you're gonna ride this one. So this is your infotainment display. Okay, Nissan Connect. It's very nice looking with a piano black accent. Then you can, okay, select OK. Then very nice, guys, you have this very nice looking GPS right here, right? That's really good. I didn't even connect my phone yet, but it already gives me like a map, so that's really nice. And then this is a look of your air conditioning. Once you turn it on, you can modify, you can control. So now let's go over to your instrument cluster, guys. Very nice looking mixture or combination of analog and digital at the middle. It's large enough. I actually like it. It's very subtle. It's not like overwhelming. So when it comes to your steering wheel, you have these leather wrapped steering wheels. Love it. Then you have these red stitchings, of course, to match your accents. Of course, you have here your Nissan logo with the red lettering, just really to match that sporty look. Then at the left side, you have your controls for your music. I really like that they are here at the left side, right? And then at the right side, you have your controls for your cruise control. And then I really love that it's at the right side as well. Okay, here below, you have this accent, silver accent right here. All right. So, pwede guys, napaganda talaga. I think that I will really have fun driving this one. Of course, at the left side, you have your push start button. Then at the left, you have your controls here, turn signals, and at the right side you have your controls for your wipers. Now let's see if it's tilt or telescopic. Okay, it tilts. Does it telescope? Oh, I don't think it telescopes, guys. So you only have tilt for your steering wheel. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that I couldn't telescope it. Maybe I'm not strong enough, but I think this is just tilt. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Moving on, here at the left side, guys, you have some controls right here, right? I believe that you could control your parking sensors as well in case you find it too noisy. You have the liberty to turn it on or off. Then here below, you have your traction control button and some extra slots for your accessories. So for your headroom, guys, excellent amount of headspace. And then for your legroom, let me show you. Alright, so as you can hear, the door thud is really solid. I love it. Very nice sounding thud. But yeah, excellent headroom, excellent legroom. But ito, guys, very honest opinion lang, no? It's kind of hard to get into the vehicle as a driver since you don't have any grab handles right here. So honestly, I think that's gonna be a bit of a disadvantage, but I believe you can just hold on to the steering wheel, just really find ways in case, but that's just something that I noticed. It's up to you guys. So now that we've seen all the good things here in the Nissan Navara Pro 4X, now let's go ahead to your second row seats to see what we have there. Let's go. So this is gonna be a quick look of your interior, guys, as a second row backseat passenger. What do you think, guys, of your interior for the Nissan Navara Pro 4X? Let me know in the comment section below. So far, I love it in here as a second row passenger, guys. So here above, guys, you have your map lights, right? Okay. And then here below, guys, you have your USB-C and USB-A ports with, of course, very nice two rear air vents. All right, when it comes to your center tunnel, wow, I'm very impressed, guys. It's actually one of the lowest that I've seen with a pickup truck so far. Very impressive. So when it comes to your headroom, I love the headroom right here, guys. Very nice, 5'8", very comfortable here. And then of course my favorite, yan, center armrest. Okay, you have your center armrest, leather wrap, and then two cup holders. How'd you like that? So still you have these very nice leather seats, guys. I love the design. Okay, still with the red stitchings. And by the way, guys, for the bed liner here at your truck bed, don't worry about it, guys. Once you purchase, upon releasing, you will be provided one for free. So that's really good, right? So overall, this is a very solid pickup truck. One of like the best when it comes with the mainstream companies, right? This is gonna be a very solid option. I love the zero gravity seats. Okay, if you're looking for that pickup truck that you could bring for like a leisure activity, adventure, I believe this is gonna be comfortable. I love that it has a 360 camera and it's got most of the things that you will need in a car, let alone in a pickup truck. It has a step board, very nice actually, and then of course the suspension as well that they used here. Absolutely, comfort is what you're going for with that sporty look. So if you ever want that sporty look for a pickup truck mixed with the comfort, then this is the truck for you. So I hope that this video was able to help you guys. Check out the link in the description or in the comments for the best product recommendations. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, all of the things that we need will be added unto us, and that's when we truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and watch the next video on your screen right now. Ciao!